Hello and welcome to Pay the Pool Man. Today we're going to take a look at Equipment Log and see some of the really cool features available to you there. First thing we'll do is search a customer and we'll click Equipment Log and we see we already have a piece of equipment listed here. We can click View, we can make edits, we can add information, remove information. The most basic information you will have to have entered is going to be the brand and model number. Other than that, anything is going to be optional. You can do cool things like add different notes up to 255 characters. You can add warranty terms, warranty ends. You can add tags. You can create custom tags here. You can add service types. So maybe this is on a specific serviceable. You can list that here for reference. And you can even delete items down here if you need to, or cancel and save. So we'll just save this item. Let's take a look at adding a custom type. So we're going to add new and we'll choose our equipment. We'll create a custom type. So this is going to be really beneficial if you want to track things like liners or solar panels. That might not be a traditional piece of equipment, but are something that it's nice to have warranty information about so that when you need it, you have that available at your fingertips. So for here, let's go ahead and do a solar panel. And we'll create, and the best part about custom types is that it is going to be available to you from there on. So right here, we can see that we added in a liner, and liner is listed now, and we will see our solar panels will be listed from here on, so we don't have to recreate that type every time we want to create an equipment log for solar panels or for a liner. So from there, we're going to go ahead and add right here an image. We'll just go ahead and use the same image we did before and click save. And now we see our solar panel item. Now when we click view, something important to note is that you will need to enter the brand and model before you can resave this. So we'll see here that it's telling us it's required. So we'll just go ahead and write test in some numbers and save. And we see we're good to go from there. So this is a nice, easy way to keep track of your equipment. You can add equipment from the Paythepoolman website, from the mobile app, or the Plus mobile app as well for your technicians. So it's very easy to stay organized, and we hope that you find custom types for equipment to be helpful. If you have any further questions about this feature, please let us know, but we hope you enjoy. Okay, thank you.